smiling. Why? I have the best creative expression coach. More than that, a beautiful human being who is smiling, and she can make anyone smile. She's very spiritual. She's very intelligent and she looks young. So welcome Prachiti Sharandhar ma'am.
Sunny ji, thank you so much. Honestly, I'm so inspired by you. Looking at those little nuggets of yours, that is like a breakfast for me. Starting of the day, हर सुबह को LinkedIn पे छोट कभी bucket, कभी बाल्टी, कभी tumbler, कभी क्या क्या लेके आते हो, banana. Don't compare apples to oranges, things like that. So there is a lot. If you can see a smile in me, you know, you should know where it is coming from.
We are all
very healthy,
blessed
intellectual,
souls.
blessed.
I'm really thankful, and I'm feeling blessed that you are on AHA Educator Show, and we are on the same mission, similar mission. AHA says, stop teaching, start transforming. You are already transforming so many lives. You have transformed so many lives with soft skills, with your magical training to teachers, as a teacher, as a human being, as a soul. Wherever you go, you radiate joy. So what is the secret? Please tell us.
Okay. Good question. Let me think about it. Honestly, my secret is just keep it a secret. I never teach.
Can you please repeat the answer? Yeah.
If I'm there, I'm just there. Okay. Again, you want to know my secret? Yes, the secret is I never teach. I think the biggest mistake people probably, or I wouldn't say mistake, but an assumption is you have to be the best teacher. You have to teach well. For me, it's the other way. Whenever I'm there, be it a preschooler, be it a preteens, teenagers, or corporates, or anybody. Even I've taught even doctors and all, but I have never taught. I was just there. I was being with them. I was being with their energy. There is one thing where I can sit and I can give all the gyan I have. There is other thing where I'm with them and I understand what they want from me. So probably that's it. I just go with the flow. I just sense the energy when I enter the class. I sense the energy, how they are sitting, how they're looking. Are they smiling at me? Many times, I've had a experience where I went to college students at college and they were like, judging me like that. For the first 5 minutes, so they were sitting like that. And within 10 minutes, they were like this. So it's for them. I'm not there for me. I'm for them. Maybe that could be the secret.
I think it is a first sixer of the interview and a great start, a super over. So
Thank you so much.
By being there.
Yes, just being there.
And don't teach. Just be there. Amazing. You tell us about your vision, mission. You have such big goals and crazy goals, crazy designation. Creative expression coach क्या होता है भाई?
Okay. A creative this is the first time somebody is asking me, so I'm also really enthralled about it. Okay, so creative expression is basically being yourself. क्या होता है, हम बचपन से हम जिस education system में हैं, somehow unfortunately वो जो एक system होता है, definition, a protocol कि किसी को देख के good morning ऐसे बोलना है, ऐसे करके, या जो भी है, स्माइल जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन आप टीचर को गुड मॉर्निंग विश करो वो जरूरी है, आप खुश हो या नहीं हो वो जरूरी नहीं है. सो हम एक फ्रेमवर्क में जीते आते हैं एंड वी कंटिन्यू इट फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स, मे बी समटाइम्स इवन टिल द एंड ऑफ लाइफ. सो क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन वही होता है उसी फ्रेमवर्क से थोड़ा हटके, समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर टू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. जस्ट स्माइल, बी योरसेल्फ. किसी भी चीज को एनालाइज करने के बदले अंडरस्टैंड करो, उसका आंसर आपको अपने चीज, यानी कोई भी सिचुएशन है. मैं प्रॉब्लम पे बिलीव नहीं करती. आई डोंट बिलीव देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स. I believe we are encountered with situations. So उसी situation को deal करने के लिए thinking out of the box in a different way, in a very objective way. That is the creative expression.
And your big mission, what is it?
Oh yeah. So I'd like to share my mission statement. Hi, I'm Prachiti Sharangdar. I'm a creative expression coach. I'm the founder of the Creative Expression Academy, and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 preschool teachers and parents become impactful educators with their unique creative expression skills.
And I'm telling you, you are going to create a big dent with your smile, with your energy, with your noble
Thank
mission, just by being there. Because I know you are not going to teach anyways. Don't teach.
True.
You just smile. So next. Now,
You know, sorry, just before proceeding, one thing, I'm sure I have not predicted what's going to happen. I have a big vision, but I feel this, if the start is so amazing, the start has been with you. I just thought about it few weeks, just maybe 5-6 days back. I created this whole thing. I decided, I changed my entire way of life. First, I was into corporate training. It's just from the past few days that I decided I will get into preschool training to be more with children and things like
thank
that.
God.
And you happened, and this interview happened. That
Thank
means the
God.
universe is giving me indications that yes, my mission is, my vision, mission statement,
Thank God.
everything is in alignment. And thank you so much.
God. Thank God. From corporate, we
Yes.
have got you. We have got a teacher. We have got a mother who is a transformer, who is a shining light. So now you tell us, what are your top 3 values? What makes you you?
Top 3. One is being myself, being very natural. Second is integrity.
Integrity.
When I say I follow a lot of integrity, when my thoughts align with my words and my words align with my action. For example, even in today's interview, I could have given you too many bahanas. Very honestly, I said there's a lot of carpentry work going on behind my house, where I'm staying. So I had to change the room and things like that. So that is integrity. So basically, people trust me because I trust myself. A very simple example I'll give you. When my son missed school, okay, for some reason, my answer to the teacher, my leave note will be, he overslept. We came late, he overslept. And he's like, "Oh, mommy, you should not do that. You should say I'm sick or something. Teacher will shout." Today he's in 5th standard. He has not got one shouting. When I see other parents, they write things like, she had a stomach ache, he had a little fever. They just write it just like that, And so, it's a very small thing, but it's like a seed you put in the child's mind that it's okay to say like that. So when I'm with students, when I'm in the class, I sometimes fumble, I make lots of mistakes, and sometimes I mispronounce and say something and I say, "I made oopsie, I'm so sorry. I made oopsie, please laugh on me." And they start laughing. So children know that I make mistakes, and that's about it. So this is integrity. And third thing, there are lots of things. I have certain principles. My spirituality, I would say every morning, from the last 15 years, I've been meditating, even during major hospitalizations, accidents, whatever. But my meditation was there even on the hospital bed. I used to tell the doctors and also not to enter the room for half an hour, or if you enter, just sit beside me. I'm just going to be shutting my eyes and just meditate. So I meditate to the universe. So these are the 3 major values which I feel have made me the person that I am. I owe it all to the Almighty, and I'm just a vessel. I'm nothing. I'm just a probably figure. Everything is coming from top.
Being yourself, spirituality, my God, what great values. And integrity. You sounded like Rita Pearson when you were talking about integrity, making mistakes and telling the students, hey, it's okay. Great. Thank God. I again thank God for giving us, you saving us from those corporate years and, bringing us here. Thank you, Prachiti Didi, ma'am, everything. So now, what makes you smile?
I just smile. I don't really know. I've never thought you. I never really thought. These are the basic things, you know. I've been living this for so many years. Probably the smile that I see on the faces of the participants, on the children, seeing a smile on your face makes me smile. So, you know that mirroring, you know, the neurons thing. So if
Wow.
I smile, you smile, and you smile, I smile. So just smile. I just
What
keep on
makes you
smiling.
happy? No, don't give me the same answer.
I'm
Mirror
always,
neurons,
no, I'm always happy because probably I let go of things. That is something that keeps
But you don't
that is something
complain.
that keeps
Kya
me.
Sunny, smile happy. So what about your
I
complaints and
complain
all?
also I complain also smiling. I complain very बहुत अच्छे
हाँ
से
ना,
मैं
बहुत
complain
ठंडा
करती
है.
मेरे सुबह से ही शुरू हो गया बच्चे के साथ हस्बैंड के साथ. बट वो एक रहता है कि कुछ भी हो गया तुरंत, as I said, I let go. See, situations happen and we have to kind of deal with it. So there is one thing when you shout, scream, and you know, just let that thing, let the situation overpower you. That is one thing. Or the second thing is you take charge of the situation. Complaints have happened. Many things have gone tipsy topsy. You know, they've not happened as per your plan. So they're just done. अभी क्या करोगे? अच्छा ठीक है चलो हो गया. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? That is what probably keeps me happy.
See, you sound like Oprah Winfrey now. उन्होंने इंग्लिश में बोला था. हाँ, उन्होंने इंग्लिश में बोला था. What is the next move? And you are telling in Hindi. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? Very good, very good. So we all copy from here and there. And universe is
This
one,
is-
you know.
Yes,
Nothing is original. Everything is got from the rishis and all. So what is
Yes,
spirituality
yes.
for you?
For me, spirituality is being with oneself, just going within oneself to understand what is it that you want from life, what contribution are you doing to mankind. See, no matter how much we complain, you cannot say that God has not given you anything. Okay, no matter how much. Okay, for a second it got stuck. Okay, am I audible now? Great. Okay, thank you. I said no matter how much we complain, let's count those factors which we are gifted with and you cannot complain. Can we breathe? Yes. Can we see? Yes. Can we talk? Yes. So we've got those 5 senses. We can touch, feel. और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में? So spirituality is constantly going back to the roots, constantly asking yourself, who am I? I ask that question to myself at least 40-50 times in a day. Every time I get angry on somebody or on some situation, I just, you know, I don't say I calm down, but I take a deep breath and I ask myself, why am I getting angry? Who am I? What is it that I have done or what has happened that the other person is angry? I ask these few questions and I ask, who am I? And that brings me back to the reality, ground reality. This is the situation. Let's go for it. So for me, spirituality is understanding yourself better.
See, from Oprah, you came to Ramana Maharishi ji. Who am I? Wow, wow. What an interview. Great. So now, tell us what is life in one word?
Life in one word. Okay, that's 2 words. Detachment.
What is happiness in one word?
Detachment.
Love in one word.
Detachment.
You are
See,
so
the minute
young
you
and
get-
you're talking about detachment. Detachment to, you know, sannyasa 75. Okay, vanaprastha 51. Good.
that
You
is
should be
a myth,
preparing.
you know, that is a myth. Today, just let's understand it with an example. See, when I finished my first batch of nursery, okay, they used to like cling to me. And within 2 months, I was doing my internship. So as per the internship, I had to change from one class to other. Okay, every 2 months. I had to get training, sorry, 4 classes from playgroup, nursery, junior, and senior. These were the 4 classes in 1 year I had to complete. So first I was put with the clinging ones, and they were like, when I went now, one child started crying looking at me. When I changed, when I went to the other class, and I started crying. I felt like crying, but मैंने अपने आप को होल्ड किया. एक बच्चा, दो बच्चा, तीन बच्चे. तो मैं जब भी दूसरे क्लास में पढ़ाती थी, वो छोटे छोटे बच्चे ना से क्लास के पर आके से दिखते and I used to feel यार, वो एक दो बच्चे तो क्लास में आ गए. And वो स्कूल थोड़ा अलाउ करता था कि बच्चों को अलाउ करते थे, तो वो मेरे क्लास में आके बैठ जाते थे. तो मैं बहुत रोई. And then I spoke to my seniors that this is happening. I'm getting too emotional. So they said emotions are not bad. It's okay. But Prachiti, if you want to focus on your current batch, you want to give your 100% to the children who have been assigned to you for these 2 months, you need to get detached. That does not mean you stop loving them. As a teacher, you have to love them. You are responsible towards them. At the same time, you have to learn to move on. So this is an example why. So when I say I'm detached, it doesn't mean that I just completely, like talk to my hand. That's not what I am. That's not what I mean. When I say detachment, it means you have to love the person 100% and at the same time allow the person to live his or her life. That is what I mean by detachment.
Wow, that's a parenting tip. That's a marriage tip. Wow, 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 wow. Great. Your favorite movie, ma'am?
Nothing. Not really. Not a big fan. No.
You don't watch movies? Okay.
I watch lots of movies. But nothing in favorite. And especially from the last 10 years, last few years, it's more about those superhero movies and all things like that, Honestly, I'm really looking forward to a genuine movie. I hope somebody makes it sometime. And for me, a superhero is Neeraj Chopra or Mirabai Chanu. For me, they are superheroes. And somewhere I feel I have personally not been introduced to real superheroes from my childhood, which is why I am kind of trying to see how I can, inculcate these values for these children. One superhero movie which is not creatively tarnished, actual life of an actual superhero. I'm looking forward to that. So it's in the making.
We will make one movie on your life. Finished.
Oh my God, that's so much.
The detached teacher. The loving yet detached human being. Prachiti.
Thank you so much. आप स्माइल करके ना मेरी सारी सीक्रेट्स बाहर निकाल रहे हो. मैंने कभी एक्चुअली मेरी इस लेवल पे कभी किसी से बात ही नहीं हुई. It has always been technical and subject related. This is the first time a conversation.
अब मेरे को तो अकल है नहीं, technical and subject and all. I will talk like this only.
We are alike. Happy.
Thanks.
Yes, okay. Definitely.
So I will not bore you much. Now my question is.
No, you're not at all.
Your 3 happiest moments.
3 happiest moments. The first time I got a group hug from my students. Tiny ones. Second time, first time when I became a mother, that was the best feeling. Second time is when, after I became a mother, I went into teaching because I wanted to learn how to teach. So that is, second thing is when children hugged me. And third, when I got the certificate of completion and I came out with a distinction. So it was like, yes, now you have got a stamp for what you can do. And that is when I was able to spread the knowledge. My efforts were recognized. So I could reach out to the world.
Exceeding excellence. Certificate, not just a certificate. Distinction. And to serve, to make a difference, to laugh, to spread laughter.
Yes.
And totally. To be there with the children, not to teach.
Yes. There's one more I would like to add, if it's okay.
Yes, please. You
My
can add
first
2
job.
more. I'll give you 2 more bonuses. Give me 5. High 5.
Wonderful. Then second, okay, the fourth one is when I, after graduating as a early childhood care and education teacher, ECCA teacher as we say, I was selected as a special educator. They felt that I had a skill to teach children who had learning disabilities, not physical, just the learning thing. So I had to create that kind of environment in the school. And for every batch, I had to change the posters and what is the flashcards. So it was the whole year was like very nice and eventful. It was like that roller coaster ride. After every batch, I have to keep things ready, different flashcards, and every student, like I had 52 students, and I knew each and every learning ability of strength of every student that way. So I worked with 52 students and 52 of the other teacher also. She was junior, so I assisted in her. The fifth shining moment came when the result came. 85% of my students got 95% improvement just in 8 months. 8 months. That was the touch point. And today also, I'll tell you, whenever anything, anytime, there are times when I feel, oh, very, how would I say, I don't say proud, but agar koi mujhe kuch acha bolta hai to, then this thought makes me humble. This makes me realize that मैंने ऐसे बच्चों के साथ काम किया है जो underprivileged background से आते थे. I worked with an NGO in a government school. मैं जैसे ही वो स्कूल रूम इमेजिन विजुअलाइज करती हूँ, आज भी मैं बस जमीन पे आती हूँ और मुझे पता चलता है कि भाई ठीक है, चमक दमक एक जगह पे है, ग्राउंड रियलिटी जिंदगी की कुछ और है. So that is that's a happy moment जब वो रिजल्ट आया. आज भी मैं वो सोचती तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. एंड मैं हमेशा भगवान को थैंक यू कहती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल समझा कि मैं ये कर पाई.
हो जाए फिर एक और वो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड अंडर सर्व्ड कम्युनिटीज से एक और इंसिडेंट हो जाए फिर. The last one.
Yes. अरे no problem. एक स्टूडेंट थी 7th standard में. She she 7th में भी she was not able to complete A to Z. वो A to Z नहीं learn कर पाती थी. Her name is here, but obviously I wouldn't want to reveal that. तो उसकी टीचर बहुत मुझे बताती थी कि वो बच्ची ऐसी है, वो कुछ समझ नहीं पाती थी. वो she was like literally, I'll show you, full day class में ऐसी she used to dream. She was a dreamer and I found that very beautiful. तो मैंने थोड़ा आउट ऑफ वे जाके कुछ सेशंस उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा लिए और वो चालू क्लास में क्लास छोड़ के बस आ जाती थी मेरे साथ बैठने के लिए. आई डोंट नो वो क्या सीखती थी. आई डोंट नो व्हाट. आई ट्राइड माय लेवल बेस्ट. मैंने उसको छोटे छोटे फ्लैश कार्ड्स बना के दिए ऑन सिंपल पेपर. नथिंग फ्लैशी. जब मैं फ्लैश कार्ड्स बोलती हूँ तो सबको लगेगा कि वाओ एकदम मस्त प्लास्टिक फिल्म, वो पूरे कार्टून्स के साथ. नथिंग. सिंपल पेपर एंड पेंसिल या पेपर एंड पेन पे मे बी स्केच पेन वगैरह से थोड़ा बहुत वर्ड्स लिख के देती थी. उसके साथ थोड़ा सॉफ्ट स्किल बिल्डअप करने के लिए उसके साथ हेल्प करती थी. टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द ईयर उसकी टीचर ने मुझे बताया कि वो अभी she knows the alphabets from A to Z. She knows that. She had started forming 3 to 4 letter words again, and वो क्लास में आंसर देने के लिए हैंड रेस करने लगी है. गलत भी होगा तो भी वो बोलती है नो टीचर पहले मेरे सुनो, लिसन टू मी. वो रॉन्ग आंसर देगी पर देगी जरूर. वो बहुत प्रोएक्टिव हो गई है. सो फॉर मी अगेन ये एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट है कि वी कैन डू, एंड दिस इज नॉट अबाउट प्रचिति. आप तो कर ही रहे हो, आहा एजुकेशन तो कर ही रहा है. वी कैन सी द चेंज, वी कैन रीड अबाउट इट, वी नो children who are studying with you are very blessed. But I want to share this with every other educator. Everybody is capable of making that difference. It's just that it's time we realize that and we start implementing it. That's it. बस मैंने कहा बहुत सिंपल लाइफ है, सब सिंपल है. ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मैं सिंपल वर्ड्स में यूज करती हूँ, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, जैसा है वैसा है. Very
beautiful. It was really a rich experience to talk to you, to discuss with you, to learn from you. to get your blessings, to be in your presence, to be in your energy, vibes. I'm really, really thankful to you. Thank you so much.
Sunny ji, thanks to you. Thank you so much. And it's only a blessing that we have got connected. Yeah, we have not even met. In fact, this is the first time that we are seeing. But then the energies, the conversations, the blessings and prayers that we exchange is definitely extraordinary. And I see that you are very blessed from God, and you are doing a very noble job. जिस तरह से आप बच्चों के साथ, टीनेजर्स के साथ काम कर रहे हो, it is highly commendable. आज के वक्त में मैंने देखा है कि टीनेजर्स के साथ, मेरा सन खुद अभी 10 साल का है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड सीइंग द चेंजेस. लेकिन हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, दे आर प्रिविलेज, क्योंकि हम हैं साथ में, हम या पेरेंट्स जो भी है. देयर आर अदर चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम अदर सोसाइटीज जो रीच आउट नहीं कर पाते. आप ऐसे लोगों तक जाते हो, आप ऐसे करते हो. यू आर डूइंग अ वेरी नोबल जॉब. थैंक यू. इट्स अ थैंकलेस जॉब, बट आई नो. थैंक यू एंड प्लीज कंटिन्यू. We need, please make more sunnies, please make more smiling sunnies. Make more, see, chief smiling officers, make more of them. The world needs more. Today, it's very much essential. आप फिर भी बहुत ज्यादा कर रहे हो. मैं तो बस अपने लेवल पे जितना थोड़ा बहुत होता है कर लेती हूँ. You are reaching out to far more number of people. Please do that. Increase that number. Do more. Do more service. Please continue the community service you're doing. Thank you. मैं तो रुकूंगी नहीं, मैं तो आपके बारे में बहुत ज्यादा बोल सकती हूँ. ये मेरा restricted था. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I pray to the Almighty that you finish your mission, you complete your numbers of just 1 lakh or 100,000. 1 lakh ही होता है ना. हाँ, तो 1 lakh तो ऐसे हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद वापस आना, फिर हम 10 लाख की बात करेंगे, 1 करोड़ की बात करेंगे. ये लाख वाख अच्छा नहीं होते, छोटे नंबर हैं. ये हो जाएगा और ये 1 साल में कर लोगे आप. ब्लॉग्स, पॉडकास्ट, आर्टिकल्स, पोस्टर्स, चलती रहेगी दुकान. और ये आपने जो बोला मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आर्मी बनानी है, प्रचिति सुपर 30, सनी सुपर 30, तो ये बनता जाएगा. फिर आपका बेटा भी है, तो उसको थोड़ी हमें पल्लू में छुपा के रखना है. वो भी एम्बेसडर बनेगा, स्माइलिंग चैंपियन बनेगा, सबकी सेवा करेगा, देने वाला बनेगा. मेकिंग ऑफ द टॉप कॉप एक बुक है डॉक्टर किरण बेदी की, एंड बिकॉज आई वर्क विद हर फॉर 7 years, so she said giving is life. And when will you teach your children giving? They should become givers now only. They can conduct an online class. We started a small initiative recently that where children come, tell stories. Children tell stories. Children listen. Children learn from other children. And there is no teacher. And it is happening every day free of cost. Daily 9 o'clock. And I'm not publicizing. Because there are no strings attached. And we are very happy.
Definitely.
Someone is reciting shloka. And our junior most was yesterday, I think, 6-year-old. Sir, story sunani hai.
Oh, nice.
So it happens. So we'll invite your son.
Yes. I would like to join. I would like to see as a participant. मुझे बस बैठ के बच्चों को देखना है. और अगर मेरे से भी कभी कुछ, just let me know when you want me for anything. I'm more than happy to come.
I'm waiting for Prachiti Super 10,000. Thank you.
वो तो होगा ही. But anything for AHA Education, I'm there.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.